How do you reach your goals? How do you progress in your career? How do you repair your relationships? How do you do anything at all? You take action. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new, you are so very welcome. My name's Martine Andrea. I'm an online entrepreneur and on a constant journey to improve my life. And on that journey, I want to take as many people as possible. If I can help just one of you achieve your goals or just have a brighter day, I have achieved my goal. Today, I want to address the most important part of making progress in anything that you do in life. And it's the thing that most people struggle with, and it's taking action, meaning just getting things done. And it can range from just getting off the sofa to do laundry, or booking that doctor's appointment that you've been putting off, taking the steps to create your own business, or finally, achieving your body goals. Taking action and creating new habits is one of the most frustrating and difficult things for people to do. But why? It's because we love patterns, or we don't, but our subconscious mind does. How many times have you tried to create a new habit like drinking more water, going frequently to the gym, taking the stairs, only to be really good in the beginning and then falling back into your old bad habits? Guilty! Definitely guilty of this myself. And this is because your subconscious mind starts telling you that this is not who you are. Your mind wants you to keep the patterns and the routine that it's used to. So it starts telling you things like, you're not this person that takes the stairs instead of the lift. You're not this person who goes to the gym and never sits on the sofa anymore. You're not this person that does extra work on your own business and your dreams after an already 8-hour-long workday. Your subconscious mind just loves what it knows, and it will try its best to just keep you on the same path. I have made another video about how to create new habits and achieving your goals. There will be a card in the corner for that, and also a link down below if you want to watch that video after this one. That could be very helpful for you if you haven't seen that already. So you have all these hopes and dreams that just never happened. Why? You didn't do anything about it. You had all these plans to travel and see the world that didn't happen. Why? You didn't do anything about it. You really want to repair a broken relationship, maybe with a partner, a sibling, a parent. It hasn't happened yet. Why? Taking action is the only thing that will make anything happen. Sitting and thinking about it will do nothing. Sitting and waiting for somebody else to take the first step, that might never happen. You are the only person in control of you and your life. What do you want? The saying, it's the thought that counts. I hate it. I think it's ridiculous. I think we should put it in the bin. The thought doesn't count. The thought does nothing. You have to go out there and you have to do. You want the perfect body? You go get a personal trainer. You go to the gym. If you can't afford it, or if for any reason you cannot leave your home, there are apps, there are free videos on YouTube. There is so much resource out there for you to use. If you have any injuries, any aches, any pains, bad knees, bad wrists, bad anything, there are exercises for you. There are modifications that you could do. There are no excuses. You just have to take action and do it.
Do it, do it, do it, do it.
If you want the perfect partner, you have to put yourself out there. You have to go looking. You cannot expect them to magically appear. I know that happens for some people, lucky, but you can't bank on that. How long are you going to wait? If you want more money and the job you have isn't going to give you a raise, you have to go and seek financial intelligence. How can you get more money? Start learning about personal finance. Again, there's a plethora of resources out there for you. There's one in my description just down below. And anyone can do this. Jeff Bezos started Amazon as purely an online bookshop, and all his inventory was in his garage. So he had a website, he had a garage full of books, and that's how Amazon started. And he became the richest man in the world. He didn't sit and think about it, he did something about it. And I know sometimes getting motivated to do even the smallest task is really difficult. One of my biggest hurdles is actually just getting up in the morning, because I technically don't have to. I do all my work on my computer and I can start whenever. It doesn't matter when I start. As long as the computer's there, the internet's there, I don't have to start at 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm not saying that you have to do that either. But I do really want to have a really great morning routine. Get up really early, do my yoga, get loads of stuff done in the morning so I'm refreshed and feeling awesome and ready to go. But I can't get out of bed a lot of the time, and that is something that I'm working with, and it's hard to motivate myself. So what I'm trying to say is I understand that even the smallest things sometimes can seem like a massive mountain, but then you have to really think about it. What's the reward going to feel like? What's that going to be like? If you get up 2 hours earlier, how are you going to feel? Will you achieve more? I think you know the answer. I do. Will you feel better or worse if you just stop procrastinating and going after what it is that you want? I promise you, no matter what it is that you need to get done, no matter how big or small, once you start taking the steps, you'll feel better and you'll be on your way. There's never a perfect time to start. The perfect time is always yesterday. So a great way to start motivating yourself to actually take action is start feeding yourself with positivity. If there's something that you hate doing, start telling yourself that you love it. So for me, for example, I have to tell myself, oh, I love getting up in the morning. I love getting up early, hearing the birds sing, seeing the sunrise. I love that. Because if I tell myself that I hate getting up in the mornings, I'm not a morning person, you're telling your subconscious brain this. Your subconscious brain is always listening, always shaping you. So you need to give it positivity. You can change the way your mind perceives certain things, certain chores, even people. You can change your opinion of people if you start telling yourself, I actually like this person. Maybe your sister has a new boyfriend and he's not to your liking. Maybe you don't think he's good enough for your sister, but she really loves him and you can see that she's committed to him and that they actually have quite a good relationship. Well then, do yourself a favor, do her and him a favor, and just start telling yourself that you're going to give this guy a chance. He's not so bad. And do this with everything in your life. The things that you hate doing, start telling yourself, oh, I can't wait to do that. I love this. I love going to the gym. I love cleaning my house. I love taking a shower and getting dressed even though I'm in lockdown and I have nowhere to go. So I've said this in a previous video, but it is so important that I am going to say it again. Stop saying, I can't and I will never. Because again, you're telling your subconscious mind that, oh, yes, we can't do that. And oh, we will never do that. When you say you can't, you put a lid on your brain. Your brain does not try to find the solution to this problem anymore. It has just been told, no, this is not for us. We can't do this. If you say, how do I do this? Now you've given your brain room to think about it, to find a solution to the problem, to maybe help you achieve this dream or whatever it is that you want to achieve. Give your brain the opportunity to actually come up with a solution. If you've said, I can't, I won't, or I will never, there is absolutely no motivation for your brain to actually find a solution to this problem. Say, how can I? And brainstorm. Maybe with someone else to just bounce ideas off each other. Don't put yourself down because you can do it. You can absolutely do it. Your brain is so powerful. Just start training it to think about how you can do this. How? Not I can't. How? How can we do this? Because we can and we will. And most of the time, let's be honest with ourselves. When we say I can't do something, we know exactly what it takes to do this. For example, the perfect body. If you say I can't get fit, yes you can. You know how. You have to work out. You have to reduce the calorie intake. You know how. You just don't believe in yourself enough. Believe in yourself, because there's absolutely no reason why people who've gone from morbidly obese to really fit, that happens. And it happens way more often than you think. You just need to believe in yourself and ask how. And if you say you don't know how to get more money, you do know. You need to do some sort of income producing activity. And if you don't know how, go online and find the knowledge. It is all out there. And then once you start taking action, don't worry if you have a little snag, a little bump in the road. That's just part of the journey. These are not failures. These are just valuable experiences that make you more knowledgeable. You won't do that mistake again, or if you do, you definitely won't do it a third time. Use it to empower yourself. Use it to get more knowledge and use it to reach your dreams and your potential. One of my absolute biggest fears is unfulfilled potential. I do not want to reach retirement age and regret not doing something when I know that I'm capable of achieving it. That is not going to be my future. And another thing I will say till the end of my days, you can only fail in anything you do in life. You can only fail if you give up. Your first business doesn't work out. That's not a fail. It's an experience, it's a part of the journey. You keep pushing, you didn't fail. The person you thought you were going to be with for the rest of your life, it didn't work out. Doesn't mean you failed. It means now you have more knowledge about what you want from your next relationship and you'll be better for it. You didn't fail. People usually regret the chances they never took, not the mistakes they made along the way. So I encourage you to take action today, no matter what it is, no matter how small. Do it. How important is your happiness? How important is your success? So today, you're going to take action. Be it doing some tidying up that you've been putting off, be it that doctor's appointment you haven't booked yet, be it that business that you have wanted to start but you haven't taken that first step, or be it picking up the phone and calling an old friend that you have lost contact with. So if you need any more motivation today, you feel like you need another little boost to get going, I have a video where there's an exercise which is the most valuable exercise I could ever give anybody to really motivate you, get you pumped up and ready to do whatever it is that you need to do. There will be a card in the corner and a link down below for this video, and I really encourage you to do this exercise. Actually, do it. Take action and do it.
Do it.
Nothing will happen until you do. So I really hope this video will help you achieve something today. Like I've said, if I can help just one person achieve more happiness, a more balanced life, a wealthier life in every single way, happy, healthy, wealthy, strong and balanced, that will be my goal achieved. So have a lovely, 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 lovely day, and I will see you in my next video.